let's get this shizzle on the risode. I apologize. Yeehaw, everybody, it is me, Aliyah, and welcome back to my channel. Yay! I love you. Today, I'm in a very weird mood. I woke up and I feel like I'm not in the mood to do literally anything, but I need to film for you guys to get you some content, because I'm going to be consistent. Okay, I'm filming now.
Yeah, okay.
So I really had no idea what to do for today's video because I just am running out of ideas, just being, you know, because when you come up with so many great ideas like becoming an egg and ripping off of James Charles content, you just really run out of great things to think of. I just thought, since I'm in a weird mood and I don't really know what I'm doing, I'm just going to make my makeup look like I'm crying glitter. In theory, that's what I think I should be able to do. In my perfect world, when I cry, I would cry glitter. So I'm literally going to make a makeup tutorial of me doing that. So if you're excited for that, then I guess like the video. Please don't unsubscribe for my terrible content. I promise I'm going to do better in the future. Subscribe and smash that bell button to be notified anytime that I post. Can you tell that I'm struggling right now? I'm using my paint pot from MAC. Ooh, I'm so official. I bought this when I was in New York and I cried afterwards because it's so expensive. And then I called my mom really sad. And she was like, well, did you need those things? And I was like, yeah. And she's like, well, then stop crying. And I was like, I'm sorry. I also noticed that this paint pot works so good with James Charles's palette. I used it yesterday and it worked really well. I hope you enjoyed my story about that just now. So I'm really upset because I haven't stopped bleeding in a whole week out of my vagina.
Ew, she's talking about her period. Someone make her stop.
I think I'm having serious health issues. I haven't bled in literally like 5 months, and then I got my period, and then it's been going on for over a week, which usually for me it's only 4 days, and I'm not living for it. Hate it. Not excited. Not enthused. I'm just setting this shiz. I decided that I just want to put black on my eyelids. I'm gonna get this packing brush, one of the ABH brushes, and I'm gonna go in with whatever the black shade is called, and I'm gonna put it on my eye. I think the key to doing black shadow without a transition shade is starting like at the bottom, and then you just kind of blend everything out along the way. Not with a transition shade, but like without. Am I actually not doing this correct? Am I supposed? Are you kidding me? I just blended it out with a brush that had pink on it. I'm done. And now I'm going to get this shade. I'm not going to talk about the brand or anything because I'm pretty sure it's canceled and for good reasons, but it's this shimmery loose powder pigment. I don't really know if you can see it, but it's like a shimmery like nude color, and I just want to top it over the black. So I'm going to use my finger and do it, because I'm just a shimmery girl even when I'm emo. We have a shimmery eye, and I probably look stupid. Okay, put the eyeliner on, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna do this eye and then I'll be back, okay? You know how it goes. Okay, I'm back. I just went to go look at what Ethan Dolan posted, and I think their father passed away, so keep your prayers up for them, please. Can't even imagine, don't want to imagine. I just have my thoughts and prayers with them. Frick. This video is just emo all around. Now I'm going to do the fun part, which is crying glitter. So I have this really cool blue glitter, and maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. It's from Bulk Glitters. I have no idea what it's called because it's 2 years old and the sticker is like battered and bruised and sad. So I'm just gonna make tears with it and live life to the best of my ability. So yeah. There's a picture that I saw that I looked at for inspo, and the tears like pulled around the eyes and then they pour. So I'm gonna do that. So it's gonna pour on my eye, and I'm gonna really not enjoy taking this off afterwards when I'm done. All in the name of art, you know? My eyes are about to start crying. Oh gosh. My eyes love to water and sabotage my look, so I'm continuing to glue down my whatever. So this is the glitter. I look pretty dang cool, don't I? Yes, I do. It's like blue, but it has like this greenish gold, like other specks in it too. And now I'm gonna make the tears come down. Does it look like a tear? Hope so. And I'm gonna make another one, another tear. Also, I think I gained weight in my face, which is stupid, and I'm suing myself. I feel like my face is more round. Do you see it? Maybe not, but I see it, so. And I'm making like kind of a circle at the bottom of the tear because, so it looks like it's rounded like a drop. One more tear. Make it long to my mouth and I'll just eat it. Just kidding. You know, like when you cry and you like literally eat your tears? I literally have a memory of me, like whenever I was like a toddler, I was crying because I was probably mad at my parents, probably because I probably got in trouble for something I did because I was not the best. I remember I was in my parents' room, I was crying watching Samurai Jack, and a tear fell, and I literally was like, and I just continued crying. Do it look like I'm crying? I'm gonna say not really, but I don't care. Now I'm gonna do it to the other side. Well, I'm all cried out, you know? And now I'm going to do my lips, because I already have highlight on and everything. Literally the only thing I left to do is my eyes and my lips. I'm just a girl crying glitter. And now I'm putting on brown sugar from Kylie. I'm putting that over this brown liner. Then I think I want to top it with some glossy action. So this is like extra shiny. So I'm going to get my Carmex and lather my lips up like a G. I'm crying glitter, and that's what I wanted. So thanks guys for watching this stupid video. Sorry, it was probably the most boring video you've ever watched of me ever. I'll try to edit it up and make it funky and fun and freaky and lit, awesome, spectacular, grand as I can. But my mood right now is just not there. I wish it was, but it's not. Especially after seeing what happened to the Dolan twins, because that's super califragilistic, and now I'm just thinking about it. So if you guys enjoyed this, please give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button to be notified anytime that I post. Thank you guys so much for watching, for being with me, for watching and supporting me. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a good day, a good night, a good afternoon, a good evening, a good life, a good month, a good week, a good day. I love you guys a lot, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye.